Join the 28-hour SQL Server Masterclass on the Udemy platform for only $15 instead of $89. Learn how to become a future developer or either a future DBA or performance expert on SQL Server with 150 exercises. The link to the promotion is in the video description. Okay? Want to get started on SQL Server? Then join me. Demonstration about VARCHAR and CHAR. Character can be inserted in the columns of type CHAR, VARCHAR, and text. Okay? Forget the text here because it will disappear in future SQL version. When you see type of columns on the table on SQL, you will see CHAR and VARCHAR most of the time. The difference between CHAR and VARCHAR is that CHAR has a fixed length while VARCHAR has a variable length. Okay? If we declare a column in CHAR 10, for example, it won't be able to exceed 10 characters. Okay? If we put 11 characters, it won't work. On the other hand, if the text size varies a lot or if the data length can be large, you should go for VARCHAR. Okay? The maximum size of VARCHAR is 8,000 characters. You can't put more. For example, we will opt more on CHAR 1 to give the gender of the person, male or female. There is no point in putting a VARCHAR on a column where there is just male or female. Okay, you understand? For the syntax, we have already seen it when creating a table. Create a table with the VARCHAR 2000 and the CHAR 1 just there. If I put here just 10, I have a column. I will have a column with a maximum of 10 characters. It cannot be exceeded. Okay, let's go for the demonstration. Let's create a table type column and insert just one single row with the CHAR just there. And what's going to happen? Insert. We have an error message where SQL Server, the string or binary data will be truncated. Try to insert and so on. Okay? That's why it could not insert all the four characters for CHAR into a column with the CHAR 1. Okay? I will try a new request again and just here insert a C. Just try. It works. Okay, there is no error message. If I run no select, I have just a C here. Okay? And if I try, for example, C8, I have the same message here. String or binary data will be truncated in table and so on. Okay, can we insert numbers in the CHAR or VARCHAR column? I insert a simple value with just 1 and 2 into the VARCHAR or CHAR or VARCHAR column. And if I run this query, it works. And the select just 1 and 2. Okay? SQL interprets numbers as a string. A column in CHAR or VARCHAR, we accept all letters and can also accept number. As I explained before in the presentation, a CHAR or VARCHAR column can only have a maximum of 8,000 characters. If I create a table with a CHAR 8 8001, sorry, and I run this query. I have a error message. The size 8008 given to the colon char test, sorry, except the maximum allowed for any data type 8000. And if I try with 8000, it works. You will see from time to time the character N in front of char and VARCHAR. So columns will become in nchar or VARCHAR in some table. Okay. For example, it's my name in Chinese, Olivier. Okay. And if I do a simple select with the Chinese characters, that mean Olivier, SQL Server can't interpret it. The data engine treats the string as Unicode. And if I had just n just before here and run the select, SQL can interpret this string in Chinese. So here are the big difference between char and VARCHAR and between VARCHAR and VARCHAR. So keep in mind this big difference. A VARCHAR colon is a colon that will vary in the string level, and a char colon is a fixed colon that cannot move. Okay, so let's go for the next demonstration.